The Blackrock Bitcoin ETF is finally approved, but why is the price of Bitcoin going down? Well, everyone and their mother was speculating on the price on the run up when it got approved. All the traders, a lot of them are swing traders, cashed out, and there's been a big correction. If you're into Bitcoin, it's just another buying opportunity. Now you have the largest investment company in the world launching an ETF. You don't have to listen to the naysayers that it's going to zero. This is a financial product that is here to stay. And if you ask me, it is going to be a revolutionary monetary tool for transacting in money globally. So what is going to happen now? What are the downsides of this ETF? One of the downsides I see is that all this Bitcoin is now going to be centralized in these ETFs. There's now several Bitcoin ETFs. You can't buy the ETF and withdraw Bitcoin. That's not how ETFs work. So all of these ETFs are going to be buying it or holding it themselves. So this is for lazy money that just wants to speculate on the price of Bitcoin. If you really want to own Bitcoin, you have to buy it and take possession of it. This is just a bet on the price. And this is a way for the US government to be indirectly buying Bitcoin. If you ask me, BlackRock is just an extension of the US government. So what they can do is say they're not buying it, but BlackRock is, and allow billions and billions of dollars in Bitcoin to be bought and put on BlackRock's balance sheet. And then the US government, when the time is right, will just come in and nationalize all these ETFs and take possession of the Bitcoin. You put that with Bitcoin they've already, confiscated through illegal activities. The US government is hedging their bets and they could have a large stockpile of Bitcoin. Also, the US is the largest Bitcoin mining country in the world. China shit the bed with that and allowed the US to overtake it. But, there's a lot of tug of war. These big companies are allowing it to happen, but you still have opposition from politicians, and no one really knows how this is going to play out. All I know is you're going to want to own Bitcoin. You're going to want to have possession of it, and just don't buy these ETFs. They're, a waste of time. Also, unintended consequences is that people that were going to exchanges to buy, all that money now could just be going into these ETFs in the stock market. So exchange volumes could go way down. That could be a consequence. Also, another consequence is Bitcoin mining stocks was a way for people to bet on Bitcoin in the stock market and get multiples or leverage. And people might not want to do that anymore. So you could have an outflow of money from Bitcoin mining stocks into these ETFs, which is a less risky bet. So there's going to be a lot of, volatility with these ETFs coming into play. So don't buy fool's gold, buy real Bitcoin, and follow me, the Bitcoin Capitalist.